Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to a brand new video here on my YouTube channel, Nimul TV. As you already know from the title and thumbnail of this video, we're going to be talking about this 49-inch ultra-wide monitor right behind me that I've been using for about 3 months now. This video is going to be super laid-back, chill video where I'm going to be sharing with you guys my honest opinion, positive or negative, about this monitor. So the most important thing about going with an ultra-wide monitor, especially a 49-inch monitor, is because as a videographer and someone is working on timelines and is working on Adobe Premiere Pro, or maybe you're working on Final Cut Pro, it's really important to have a full view of your timeline when you are putting the elements together, you are doing your kind of the initial adjustments to have all the elements in the right place. So it's such a blessing to have an overview of your timeline, so you don't have to just keep scrolling left and right through your timeline. And an ultra wide monitor, which this one is just doing it really amazingly, is that you just see the whole timeline at a video up to, I would say, 10 or 15-minute video in lots of details. So it depends on how many cuts you're gonna have, but this is such a blessing to see all of your timeline all in one glass. The second thing that I really love about this ultra wide monitor is the curved design, because there are so many curved monitors out there, but some of them, the curve is just too tiny that you still have to move left to right whenever you wanna see what's on the left or on the right side of the monitor. But this Samsung 49-inch Odyssey series has such a big curve that you don't even need to kind of move to left or right. You just need to move your head and you can just see the whole screen, although it's an ultra wide 49-inch monitor. That's a super big deal. The next thing that I really love about this monitor is the fact that you can have so many different apps open all at once. If you're a Mac user, I use this app called Magnet that you can actually assign shortcuts whenever you want to have like 6 windows sorted out from left to right, or you want to have them divided into 4 equal sizes. So this app actually enables you to just sort them out the way you want. For example, if I'm using Epidemic Sound for picking my music, and then I can have the folder for the project open on the first and the second section, and then I can have a giant section for my Adobe Premiere Pro. So I choose a song, I download and move it, and then I just drag and drop it into my timeline. And the last feature that I really love and so many people don't know about it is the fact that these monitors come with 2 DisplayPort inputs. For example, if you are a Mac and Windows user at the same time, you can connect both of your systems, laptops, or whatever you've got at the same time to the same monitor and divide the monitor into 2 equally perfectly large monitors and use them at the same time. In my case, I'm connecting my PS4 and I have my M1 MacBook Pro connected, so whenever I'm tired and I want to play some PS4, I just turn on my PS4 and the left side of the monitor is going to be my PlayStation gaming experience, while I have my work stuff on the right side already open. Whenever I'm done, I just turn off the PS4 and I go back to the full screen mode. I was thinking about what do I don't like about this monitor. To be honest, there is nothing that I don't like about it. I would only say that the arm that I had to get for this to use all of the space on my table was really expensive. It's gonna cost about $400 depending on which brand you go. So the only downside is the arm that you might, 90% of the people are gonna have to buy that. So something to consider is the arms are expensive, so the monitor is already expensive. So you need to kind of put aside about, I would say, $1,800 in total if you are buying new for the arm and the monitor. And that's gonna be it. It's the perfect monitor for editing, for designing, and of course for gaming, but that's not what I do, so I'm not talking about that much. Anyways guys, if you had any questions about this monitor, let me know below in the comments. And as always, if this was your first time watching my videos, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell notification, give it a thumbs up for the algorithm so it shows the video to more people. And thank you for watching, and until the next video, mukhlas. I've been recording this so many times. The alarm on this car just goes off. That's a part of the journey, right?